Hello, today we're going to do a dinner table setting. Now I'm going to use this diagram here, and I'm going to attach that diagram under the YouTube directions so you can download it if you wish. Or alternatively, you can just draw these on a piece of paper to help your child. Setting the table is a very, very good lesson in counting. So we are going to set the table for 3 people today. So it helps if you draw 3 stick people, like so, or 4, or whatever amount that are in your family. So now I'm going to take my directions and I'm going to take my little stick people over to my drawer to collect my cutlery. So the first thing we're going to collect is knives. So we're going to collect 3. So I'm going to put the knife on each little stick person. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to take my 3 knives and I'm going to leave them aside. Next, I'm going to take my forks. So I'm going to take 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to leave them aside. Next, I'm going to take 3 spoons. So we have 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put my 3 spoons aside. I'm going to close my drawer. Next, I'm going to collect 3 dinner plates. So opening my drawer. 1 for this stick person, 2 for this person, and 3 for this person. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we just stack them together to carry to the table. Next, I'm going to take 3 glasses. 1 for this stick person, 2, 3. So now we have 3 glasses. I'm going to take 3 table mats. 1 for this person, 2 for this stick person, and 3 for this stick person. Now I'm going to take my table mats to the table. So we're putting 1 table mat at this setting, 1 table mat for sitting at the back of the table, and 1 table mat for sitting at the end of the table. Now I'm going to go and collect all my cutlery. I'm going to take my cutlery over first, and I'm going to take my sample table setting. So I'm going to put a knife beside the table mat, 1 fork, and I'm going to put 1 spoon at the top for my dessert. Now I'm going to do the same at each table mat. Now I'm going to take my 3 glasses to the table. You might stack them, or your student might come back and forth between the table. So when we go to the table, we look at the table setting and the glass is at the top of the knife. And this is good learning as well, top and bottom. So we're putting the glass at the top of the knife of each setting. So we go here and the top of the knife here. We're going to take our 3 dinner plates to the table, and we're going to put 1 on each table mat. So in between the knife and fork, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to take 3 napkins. I have a napkin holder, so I'm going to put a napkin beside, so we can count them out. Here again, good counting skills. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. And at home, you can get your child or student to fold the napkin, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. So alternatively, you can place them like that beside your table mat. This is our dinner table setting, And when you download this, you can also use this as a template, but you can also encourage your child maybe to colour in to develop their pencil skills. Thank you for watching.